wishing all of you a good beginning of the Holy Week. My dear brothers and sisters, today we begin the Holy Week and we celebrate the first day with the blessing of the Palms, and we call it Palm Sunday, Sunday of the Lord. He enters into Jerusalem with crowds welcoming him and holding in their hands the palms, the leaves, putting on the floor their clothes. Thus such a rousing reception, rousing welcome. But that is not the end. The end is Jesus is entering into Jerusalem to walk up to Calvary, the road to Calvary, where he would be crucified. And during this Holy Week, we will be having special celebrations. On Thursday, we call it Maundy Thursday or Holy Thursday, Jesus will institute the sacrament of the Holy Communion. He will give his flesh as food. He will give his blood as his gift to us for our spiritual nourishment. And he will have this Last Supper along with his 12, including the Judas Iscariot who would betray him thereafter soon. So this is the sacrament that Jesus institutes. Together with this sacrament, Jesus institutes the sacrament of holy orders. He told the disciples, the 12, you do the same. So when he uttered this word, he gave them the power to transform the bread into his body, the wine into his blood. So this is a great event left behind for us, for entire posterity. That's why we rejoice. And the third thing is he gives us the commandment of love. Maundy is mandamentum, that is the commandment of love. Love your brothers and sisters. Be humble, give service. And that is why Jesus, while having supper, he got down, changed his clothes, put on a towel and washed the feet of the disciples and kissed them and blessed each one of them. And he said, you call me master, that is right. But being a master, if I have washed the feet of my disciples, you do the same. So we have such a beautiful message on Maundy Thursday. Then comes Good Friday, is nothing but the celebration of the death of Jesus. We will not mourn. Our hearts will be with grief, but at the same time there is joy, because he will rise up. He will resurrect on the third day. That is why on Easter vigil that takes place on Saturday, Holy Saturday, we will celebrate joyfully the resurrection of Jesus Christ. We will bless the new fire, we will bless the water, we will sprinkle the water, enter the church with the special candle which is called the Paschal candle. And then we will have the Mass as usual. So such are the events instituted by Jesus Christ for our sake. And that is why we are thankful to him, and we pray that the entire humanity will be new and transformed. Thank you very much.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.